Hey there gorgeous, happy Frugal Friday. It is such a pleasure to see you. Today I'm showing you a full face of Believe Beauty makeup products. You can find these in Dollar General for $5 and under. And I've also conducted a very thorough wear test so you can make an informed decision as to whether any of these may or may not be right for you. What are you trying to do?
Count them.
Count them? Okay, you gotta take them apart. Ace is homesick with me today. Got a little bit of a tummy ache, so you'll probably hear him wandering around here. We're gonna work through this because moms can do stuff like that. First product I have to use from Believe Beauty is the Pretty and Primed Color Correcting Primer. Oh, it is green. I didn't know what color to expect it to come out as, but it is green, and it helps to even out the skin tone and cancel redness. I don't really have much redness, so I don't know how much you're going to see it actually doing here, but we'll see how it holds up with the makeup over the top. I do feel like it blurred my pores a little bit. You can see it right there. I do already have an eyeshadow primer applied. The palette that I'm using is the one called Plush Purples. Somehow I was able to distract him with Legos, so yay. I did keep the eyes very neutral. You may notice that by now I only use two colors because I got some really fantastic eyeliners that I want to be the focus of this look. The first one is a metallic liquid eyeliner in the shade Midnight in Paris. And the second one is the long-lasting eyeliner in the shade Queen Mauve. Well, it's got great pigment to it, but I was expecting something more vibrant. This almost appears very brown black on the lash line, and I really wanted like this color that I'm seeing here, so I'm a little disappointed by that. I did like the applicator on the eyeliner, and I found it really easy to do a wing with. I did that off camera, sorry, but it was really seamless. So I did like that part. I am also going to apply that long-lasting eyeliner directly onto the waterline. We'll see if it does hold up to its name and if it really is long-lasting. I didn't get any sleep last night, and here I am putting a red eyeliner on my waterline. I picked up this product called the Eyebrow Styling Gel in the shade Light Brown. They didn't have any of the pencils in stock. They were completely out of pencils. So we'll see what this does. If I have to add something else, I will. Looks like a tinted brow gel. I still need some help. I need some help right there.
Lunch and dinner.
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
It's right here. You gotta put it away.
You're awesome. Hubby just bought me sushi for dinner. Oh, woo! This is my favorite. I love sushi. I never get tired of sushi, ever. It was so funny because when my dad was alive, I knew he didn't like sushi. Like, he really did not like it, but he would always go to sushi restaurants with me and eat it anyway because he knew how much I liked it. He was really, really good like that. I'm not really loving this brow product. It's not my favorite. It looks gray on my brows, and I don't like it. Don't like it. Moving on. I'm gonna try a mascara. This is the Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. It says it's 3 mascaras in one. It will give you defined volume, volume and curl, and extreme thickness. This is not bad. It's applying real nicely, I feel like, and doing a great job of separating the lashes. It is adding thickness like it said that it would. And so far, it's holding that curl real nicely. Can you see that? Hey, little feet. What you got? Oh, yeah, let's not touch that.
Why?
That's really sharp, baby. That could hurt you.
Why?
Yeah, let's not touch that.
It could be.
It could cut you, yes.
Why?
Okay, that's actually really nice, and believe it or not, I am going to skip the false lashes today. Oh, shock, I know. I want to see how the curl holds up, and I'm really, really liking this. I really am. I do feel naked though. I feel naked. The foundation that I'm using is the much talked about Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation in the shade Shell. I really loved this the first time I used it. I'm pretty sure my opinion is not going to change on it in this video. So that is what I'm using here. It provides a beautiful even finish to the skin. It is more medium coverage, buildable, really soft finish. When I had talked about doing this video before, there were a lot of you who gave me amazing recommendations to try from this line, and Lisa Buffundo had recommended the concealer, and so I picked one up in the shade Ivory. I don't know that I got the right one, now that I'm thinking about it. This one is the You're Covered Liquid Concealer, and I think she had recommended something different. The display that I went to was just ransacked. I don't know if it was this concealer, but one of the concealers from Believe Beauty is that the doe foot applicator breaks off. A lot of you were saying this in the comments. I was reading about this doe foot applicator breaking off after using it 3 or 4 times. What is that about? I've never heard of that before with a concealer, but that's really terrible. Tilly! What everybody is in my office today. What are you doing over there? Well, the coverage is really beautiful. Look at that. I mean, that looks gorgeous. Really can't tell that I didn't sleep last night. One of our friends here that goes by the name Crackenhead, I love it, recommended that I try the cream blush in the shade Dollface, so I did pick that one up. I believe I've used this one before, the first time I tried out a full face of Believe Beauty, and I liked it then too. And it, well, hello. It dried out on me, you know, so it was one of those you just had to throw out after time. And look who it is. Hi. Don't drool on me again, okay? Hi. Say hi to everybody. Oh, yeah, it's not very good. It doesn't taste very good. No. Oh, so pretty. All right, so we'll apply that. We'll apply that right there on the cheek. Isn't that beautiful? I do remember I liked the cream blushes when I first tried them because they were so seamless and so easy to blend onto the skin, and I'm glad that that has not changed. And that looks absolutely beautiful. I can't hold my brush. This is my life. This video, this is my life. You wanna know what my life is like? It's like this. It's okay though. I'm okay with that. It's all right. You ever tried to do makeup with your cat in your lap? It's really interesting. It's a little bit like having a kid in your lap, only this one drools on your arm. No, kids drool on your arms too. Only difference is cats don't have hands, so they can't grab everything. To set everything, I'm using the Matte Blur Loose Powder. This is translucent. Don't believe I have used this one before, surprisingly. I might have, maybe I forgot. I just don't remember this one. So I'll set under the eyes first, and I'll do 1/2 of my face just to see what this does, because I've heard great things about this also. Hello. New card. 4K just takes up so much space on your camera, but it's great because you get to see stuff like this. I mean, look at the cat hair. That is amazing. It looks airbrushed. Oh wow, it's really beautiful. It did do a great job of blurring my skin on that side. Yeah, I like it. Another one of our friends here that goes by the name One Whisper had recommended that I check out the bronzer, and I remember she had said if you like the Florence by Mills marbleized bronzer, you'll really love this one from Believe Beauty, and her favorite was the one in Golden Sienna. I looked. Unfortunately, they did not have a shade that was right for me. The shades that they had were like really, really dark, so I had to skip buying that one as much as I would have loved to have tried it. But one product I was able to get was this one. It's a Major Monochrome Matte and Shimmer Blush Duo in the shade Second Chance. So I'm going to take that matte shade and use it to add a little bit more color to my skin, hopefully. So apply it underneath where I applied that blush. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad. It's really light, which I like. It's not too orange looking. Oh, really beautiful on the skin. Let's take a little bit of this highlighter right here and just see what that looks like. Woo! Oh, you know what? No, let's... It's pretty. It really is. But I picked up a highlighter palette. I got this one, and this is the Luminizing Glow Trio in the shade On Cloud 9. I am going to take that middle shade right there and use that as highlight. Oh, hey. Ha! Looky there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Whoa, I didn't apply that much. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Look at the pigment on that one too. I'm really, really happy with that. I also went back and added mascara to my lower lashes. This mascara is fantastic. I really love it. I also added a second coat to my upper lashes and you can see my gosh, it's like, I haven't found a mascara that I love as much as this since the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. I mean, this is, wow. I'm loving it. For my lips today, I'm gonna finish that with the Believe Beauty lip liner in the shade Barely There, which is a favorite of mine most recently that I discovered from your Hidden Gems video. Very smooth, creamy, great color that goes with a variety of different lipsticks, adds a very beautiful pink. And the lipstick I'm choosing to pair it up with today is e.l.f.'s Creme. They didn't have lipsticks in the display that I was looking at that I was interested in trying. Unfortunately, they just didn't really have that much to choose from. So that's why I'm going with this. Hey, okay, it's been all day. It's been a long day. 10 hours? Yeah, almost 10 hours at this point. And ooh, Shine City. I mean, that primer did el nada. Not for me, not for me. Okay, but despite that, I mean, I know from experience with having used the foundation before that it doesn't last as long without something applied to help it along, you know, I mean, obviously. But let's look at the rest of the face here. The eyes look amazing. That mascara held in there. Oh my gosh, look at this. I have to show you this. I love this mascara. This is so good. I did not think going into this video that the mascara would be the winner, but I feel like out of all the products I showed you in this video today, the mascara is my absolute favorite. And the eyeliner is, well, let's see, let's look at this eyeliner. It's coming in a close second. I mean, despite me not liking the color of it, the formula was really good and it's matte, which I really like. And look at that, the bottom lash line, that didn't move either. I mean, come on. With the exception of the brows. I did not care for that brow thing and I will not use it again. The concealer held in pretty nicely too. I mean, I am not noticing creasing underneath my eyes, and the powder, you can feel that the powder helped keep it intact because it feels dry. It doesn't feel oily or greasy underneath my eyes. I have to go back and film the intro. So I gotta freshen up a little bit here. Oh, it's much better. I get distracted by shiny things. If you've been curious about anything from Believe Beauty, I hope that you found value in this today and that it was helpful for you. Let me know what your most favorite product is from this line. Thank you for being here, for taking the time to watch. I speak love, light, peace, and joy into you and into your home. I'm wishing you a beautifully blessed weekend ahead, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.